Hello, second grade mathematicians, and welcome to our second math lesson. Today we're going to learn to read and write the value of money using a dollar sign and a decimal point. Let's take a look at our learning target. I can write the value of an amount of money using a dollar sign and a decimal point. Now, when I think of writing money using a dollar sign and decimal point, I like to think of it as putting the cents on a hundreds map. And so if you've got 100 cents, we know that equals $1. And if you've got 100 count, that equals 100 or one flat. And it helps me remember because the flat is a flat square and bills are flat rectangles. And they both have the value of 100 cents in the case of the dollar bill. So if we take a look at the hundreds map, the hundreds will be the dollars. And then everything behind this decimal point here will be the cents. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, so I've counted a group of coins and I had 126 cents. And let's take this value and write it on our hundreds map. Hundreds go in the 100, 20 in the tens, 6 in the ones. If we write it off of the hundreds map, we write it like this. We have a dollar. So the total value would be $1.26. And I want you to remember that when you use the dollar sign and the decimal point, you do not need to use the cent sign anymore. The decimal will tell us that these are the cents. All right, let's take a look at another example. I've drawn some money up here. We have a $5 bill, a quarter, a dime, and a penny. So the $5 bill is worth $5. Quarter is 25. 10 more makes 35. 1 more makes 36. So we have $5.36. Let's put that on the hundreds map. The dollars go in the hundreds. 36 cents. 30 in the tens. And 6 in the ones. Written offside the hundreds map. Write it like this, $5.36. Let's take a look at another example. I've drawn another group of money here. We have $1, 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters, a dime, and a penny. So we've got $1 from the dollar bill, and then 25, 50, 75, a dollar. 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters. 10 more makes 110. 1 more makes 111 cents. Now we have to combine the cents with the dollars. Now we've got 211 cents. Put it on our hundreds mat. $2.11. Write it off of the hundreds mat. $2. Decimal point. 11 cents.